Greetings, I'm Dev the developer. Arrays are great when you know the size up front. Most real programs don't. Data grows at runtime. Items get added and removed. That's where list comes in. It works like an array, but grows and shrinks as you need it. This is the collection you will reach for most of the time. Here's the practical limitation of arrays. You have to know the size when you create them, and that size is permanent. If you need to store users in a program, how many should you allocate? 100? 1,000? Guess too small and you run out of room. Guess too large and you waste memory sitting there. More importantly, real programs add and remove things at runtime. A to-do list, a shopping cart, a collection of results from a search. These collections don't have a fixed size. They change. List with a type and angle brackets is C#'s dynamic collection. The type inside the angle brackets is a placeholder for what the list will hold. You replace it when you declare the list. List of string holds strings. List of int holds integers. The angle brackets with a type inside are called generics. The full story on generics comes later in the course. For now, just think of it as this is a list and it holds a specific type. A list of string will only accept strings. A list of int will only accept integers. The type locks it in and the compiler enforces it. Lists come with built-in methods for managing their contents. Let me show you the core ones. Here's a few things worth noting. Count on a list does what length does on an array. It tells you how many items are in the collection right now. RemoveAt takes an index. When you remove an item, everything after it shifts down to fill the gap. So after removing index 1 from a 3-element list, the item that was at index 2 is now at index 1. Clear removes everything at once. The list still exists, it's just empty. Lists support the same square bracket index access as arrays. Index 0 is the first item. The last valid index is count -1. Same zero-based rules as arrays, same risks. Going past count -1 throws an argument out of range exception. Different exception name, but same exact problem. The practical choice is straightforward. Use an array when the size is known upfront and won't change. Days of the week, months of the year, a fixed set of options. But use a list when the size changes at runtime. Items being added, removed, or discovered during execution. If you're ever unsure about which one to reach for, it's usually going to be the list. Lists are the workhorse of C# collections. Once you're comfortable adding, removing, and accessing items, you have the core tool for most real programs. Go build something that takes user input and manages a growing collection. Notice how much cleaner it is than managing an array manually. Don't just watch it, do it.